Good morning, children. So, this is your English period. So, children, kindly take out your English grammar book and English grammar copy. Children, in today's session, we are going to start with a new chapter in English grammar. That is chapter 7, Verbs, Was, Were. In the previous chapter, in chapter 6, we have done verbs is, am, are. Right? I hope you have understood that concept of chapter 6 and you have no doubt now. So children, this I am asking because the chapter 6 and chapter 7 are related to each other. That means the concepts which we applied in chapter 6 is, am, are, those concepts will be applied in this chapter also. So it is very important, children, to understand each and every concept and theory of chapter 6, which was verbs, is, am, are. So children, this is the new chapter in English grammar and I'll explain you verbs, was, were. Children, I told you earlier in classes also that was, were are helping verbs. What are these called? These are called helping verbs, right? Like is, am, are was also called as helping verbs. और हम इनको helping verbs भी बोलते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं? Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. So children, helping verbs को हम auxiliary verbs भी बोलते हैं and was, were are helping verbs. मैंने आपको बेटा पहले भी लिखवाया था कि how many helping verbs are there. You have written in your English fair copy and कितने helping verbs हैं, क्या क्या helping verbs हैं. मैंने लास्ट चैप्टर में भी आपको बताया था कि इज़, एम, आर ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स एंड वॉज, वर आर ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. सो चिल्ड्रेन, आपको लास्ट चैप्टर में मैंने बताया था कि जो इज़, एम, आर, दीज आर कॉल्ड नाउ वर्ड्स. इनको हम नाउ वर्ड्स बोलते थे, राइट? सो हम वॉज एंड वर को क्या बोलेंगे? येस्टरडे वर्ड्स. ठीक, इनको नाउ वर्ड्स क्यों कहते थे? क्योंकि बेटा ये प्रेजेंट टाइम में हम इन हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स का यूज़ करते थे. एंड वॉज, वर को येस्टरडे वर्ड्स क्यों बोलेंगे? क्योंकि हम इनको पास्ट में यूज़ करते हैं. वाई पास्ट चिल्ड्रन? बिकॉज इन सेंटेंसेस वेयर वी यूज़ वॉज और वर, those actions have happened in yesterday. They have took place already. Those actions have taken place already. यानी वो actions हमारे past में हो चुके हैं. Clear? That is why it is called yesterday words and past. Past में जो actions हो चुके हैं बेटा, इसीलिए हम उनमें उन sentences में was और verb का use करते हैं. For example, we can take for example number 1. I was playing in the park yesterday. So children, why was is applied here? Because I was playing in the park yesterday. मैं कल खेल रहा था. जब हम था का यूज़ करते हैं बेटा, था है ना, या थे, तो हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे? was और were का. clear. the actions which have happened or occurred in the past or yesterday. In those sentences we apply was or were. Clear? Let's take another example. There were lots of apples in the basket. So children, in the past there were lots of apples, but now there are no apples. So पहले basket में apples थे, अभी नहीं है. तो बेटा पहले की बात करिए तो इसलिए were. Number third example, I was eating an ice cream. So children, I was eating an ice cream in the past. We are talking about the past. We are talking about the action which has happened earlier. So that is why I have put was. Clear? So in the next topic, we will study where to use was. हम लोग was को कहाँ पे use करेंगे. ठीक? Same rules will be applied, children, which I explained you in the last chapter, that is chapter 6. How will you decide that in this sentence or in this blank was will be there? So rule number 1, what was the rule number 1 we studied in chapter 6? Read the whole sentence. So where to use was, we will study in this session. Rules. Number 1, read the whole sentence. Clear? To first and foremost, you have to read the whole sentence. Then find out or identify the noun or the pronoun. Clear? So in that sentence you have to find out or identify the noun or the pronoun. Then identify whether the noun or the pronoun is in singular or plural form. So after identifying whether the noun or the pronoun is in singular form or in the plural form, then what will you have to do? Then you have to decide if the noun or the pronoun is in singular form, then you have to write was. Clear, children? And if the noun or the pronoun is in plural form, then you have to write were. Clear? So I hope you understood. Let's take example. I was studying. I was studying maths. Okay. So here, why was is used here? So we will go according to the rules. First rule is read out the whole sentence. Okay, I'll read out the whole sentence. I dash studying maths. ठीक, I was studying maths. Find out or identify the noun or the pronoun. So where is the noun and where is the pronoun? So this is pronoun. Then identify whether the noun or the pronoun is in singular or plural form. So this pronoun is in which form? singular form. So if the noun or the pronoun is in singular form, then you have to write was. This is pronoun, this is in singular form, so we are going to write was. Clear? So children, in next session, I'll give you more examples and I will also teach you where to use were. But in this class, only this much I will teach you. I hope you understood each and every line. And if you have any doubt or query, kindly ask me on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much and stay safe, stay healthy.